Hi, welcome to Travel and Travel. It's day 4 on our Mediterranean cruise, and we are here in Civitavecchia in Italy. One of the most popular excursions here in Civitavecchia is probably Rome. But me and my husband has been to Rome before, so we decided to explore Civitavecchia. So stay with us. And guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to leave a comment, hit that like button and subscribe. Let's go!
This is the free shuttle, has a frequency of 20 minutes. Restart in the same place in which I stopped. The last run an hour before the departure of the ship. There are no interruption in the days. Civitavecchia. Civita is city, Vecchia old. And now I explain you the reason. Are very strong the song of this. Allora, the statue is between the two terminals. Allora, now the city, Civitavecchia. Civita is city, Vecchia old, ancient. The fundator is Traiano, the Roman Imperator, 100 rooms in these big houses, the Roman Imperator. Near at the thermal.
That's our bus. So the pick-up point will be here. One of the local agents for the hop-on-hop-off bus at the bus terminal said their ticket booth is in front McDonald's, so that's what we're following. We're following the sign of McDonald's, hoping we're not gonna get lost. Lots of hats. Lots of hats. Where are we going now? Okay.
Heading for McDonald's.
I can see the sign of McDonald's in there, I think. I'm getting fridge magnet. What's it? €2 each, is it? It was 3 and thingy.
A little bit there, wouldn't it?
Just have a look at this one. $4.99. What do you think? Shop. I'm looking for a foldable hat. Anyway, I'm hoping we're also heading towards the Piazza Della Vita and the Fort Michaelangelo. They're apparently next to each other. We googled this before we came on a cruise. So yeah, we're gonna carry on exploring after we've done a little bit of shopping here and carry on exploring. Oh, there, get them. There's some signs here. Is the sign Centro Storico Cathedral. Come on, let's go and look for the hop on hop of bus. You see that one there? See Fort Michaelangelo. We found what we're looking for, so I think the Piazza Della Vita, we should be next to it. It's just like a plaza where they hold concerts and other events. I'm hoping we're gonna spend more time here exploring, and I'm hoping there's also gonna be some cafes and restaurants for us to have a little bit of something to drink. How long have we been walking, Kate? 10 minutes?
Maybe a bit longer.
Longer. We just... Okay. Oh, here we are. Lots of restaurants and cafes, plenty to choose from. Just overlooking the seafront and the Piazza della Vita and Fort Michaelangelo. Hooray! We found what we were looking for. That is the Fort Michaelangelo. Very big building. Yeah. Here at the square, the Piazza della Vita, you will also see an imposing statue of a sailor kissing a nurse. You still want to go on the bus?
No.
This is enough anyway, isn't it?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah.
Just walk from bus station, really.
Yeah.
Actually, if you look at position at somewhere, you need to be opposite direction to it.
New shops. Something. Let's have a look at the shops.
Oh, you mean a fold one, don't you, like them?
All the way. Yeah, but a nicer one than that.
Alright.
Oh, there's some on the other side. Where? For you?
Maybe.
Same price actually as the street ones. Yeah, I thought it might be more expensive. That one is dearer. It was £10 there. That one looks Italian, doesn't it? Or is it?
I do say.
Ah, really nice. There we are. That's the statue I was talking about earlier on. The sailor kissing a nurse. Really tall, very imposing. I think it's over 7 foot tall.
I won't fancy being without these bloody sunglasses today.
No, it's really hot here today, but I'm not complaining. Another marina or something in there.
Then you can go across it for the stop there, didn't you? So we're going to suggest we go actually.
Yeah, we'll go there. What?
Like that.
What, this one?
That's it, yeah.
Oh, it's a seat. You're gonna sit there. It's a stump carved into a seat. Which is nice. So we're heading to the bridge. Are we?
And that's as far as we're going. Yeah,
Looks
we'll walk
interesting,
across
that bridge. So
Yeah.
there's a step there. So we're gonna go up to this step to go to that bridge. Climb up the step. We're going up.
We're going to walk on to end here, that won't walk. But
That bridge is better, I think.
burning off some calories.
Yes. Look like they've covered all their chairs. Closing for the season since it's October. Still nice weather. There's more beach here than on the other side near the port. Lots of cafes and restaurants in there. That's the bridge. And as you go on the street, there's quite a lot of cafe and bars in there to eat and just sit down and relax.
Questa che non sta al sole però. Come un cacchierola, sei arrivato per primo, devo scegliere tutte quelle, devo scegliere quella al sole, è peggio.
150.
That's alright.
That's not bad at all.
Yeah?
You'll get someone to drink, can't we?
Yeah, I just want to drink tea.